Hello and welcome to another episode of Latest Update. The topic of discussion is Justin Trudeau resigns amid political crisis. Recently, Canadian Prime Minister Justin Trudeau announced his resignation due to internal party struggles and rising opposition support. His resignation follows internal criticism, strained relations with the US, and a widening lead by the Conservative Party. A spring election is expected after the Liberal Party elects a new leader. Drishti IAS Mukherjee Nagar classes has now been shifted to Noida, and the offline batch for IAS GS Foundation course covering both prelims and mains, the admissions are open. The English medium batch is starting from 9th of January 6 p.m. while the Hindi medium batch is starting from 16th of January 11:30 a.m. For any query or for more information, give us a call at 87501 87501. Trudeau's leadership and legacy. Trudeau became Prime Minister in 2015, defeating a decade-long Conservative rule. He championed immigration, gender equality, and environmental protection, but faced criticism from both the right and left. He legalized cannabis, introduced a carbon tax, and faced backlash over pandemic-related mandates. His popularity declined due to economic issues, housing affordability, and controversial policies. What's next for Canada? The Liberal Party is looking for a new leader to guide them in the upcoming election, with potential candidates including Mark Carney and Melanie Joly. The US President-elect's proposed tariffs on Canadian goods complicate trade relations, putting pressure on the next leadership. The new leadership will play a crucial role in determining the future of Canada-India trade relations and ongoing economic agreements. Now it's time for the practice question. Who was the finance minister who resigned from Trudeau's cabinet? Chrystia Freeland, Melanie Joly, Mark Carney, Pierre Poilievre. Send the answer of this question in the comment section. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe. And do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.